Happy Thanksgiving! I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. By the time I post this video, it's going to be a couple days past Thanksgiving. I'm heading to my sister's house for a very small Thanksgiving gathering, and I made a pumpkin pie, but I'm also making her the Harry Potter pumpkin juice. She loves the Harry Potter pumpkin juice. She's been at Universal Studios several times, and I decided to see if I can recreate it. There's numerous recipes on the internet. I picked one I really liked, and so this recipe is going to call for 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 4 liters of apple juice, which essentially equals 1 gallon, a can of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You mix all that together, and it recommends serving it over a cup of ice. So let me get this all mixed together, and then I will refrigerate it and take it to my sister's and see if it tastes just like the Universal Studios pumpkin juice. All right, I ended up putting the pumpkin juice back into the apple juice containers. I just wasn't filling the other container. I didn't feel like it was gonna not leak all over the place on the way to my sister, so this was definitely a better bet. And it's hard, the spices are kind of like didn't dissolve all the way, but the recipe did say shake up before serving, and I did do a quick taste. I thought it tasted pretty good, but again, I really am not for sure what pumpkin juice is supposed to taste like, so I'm gonna let my sister do the official taste test. All right, I'm at Holly's and she's getting ready to try the pumpkin juice. And it's kind of hard because everyone's staring at her.
Why are you laughing?
Okay, I can't help it. Just try the pumpkin juice.
Oh my god.
Does it taste like Universal Studios pumpkin juice?
It 100% does.
I'll give Buddy the recipe so he doesn't have to pay big bucks to import it from Universal. What do you think?
Like pumpkin juice. This is really good. I don't know why they call it pumpkin juice, because really I think it's like apple pie in a cup.
It is 85% apple juice. But you like it?
I think I literally.
Are you eating butter?
I literally think this tastes exactly like Universal pumpkin juice. You did good.
Good.
I don't think I have to do all the rest. I think the big family size one's enough because I'm probably not going to eat it.
Yeah, I wasn't.
What do you think?
You
don't spit it out. You don't like it?
It's not like you made it wrong. I just don't like pumpkin juice.
I made it for your mom. Happy Thanksgiving.
It's mine. My precious. My precious. Doesn't get better.
Doesn't get better.
Seriously, that's a really good recipe.
Good.
For me, it's just too sweet.
It is a lot of juice. All right, I'll get back to cooking.
Happy Thanksgiving.